Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. Let's listen to this song without drums room.
But it gets a little harder to go there anymore.
And now with it.
But it gets a little harder to go there anymore. And you care when I...
With drums room, the song has much more materials and elements that are filling the sound field. But one of the important things that this drums room is doing is enhancing kick. Let's listen to kick. It does not have a lot of detail. It's a kick. It's not supposed to have much details. But drums room adds that details up. And drums room without this track does not have enough power. So these two should work together, but there is a problem. We have a lot of boxy frequencies, around 500, that is making drums room separated from kick, and they are not in a good relationship. So I just need an equalizer. There are different choices, whatever you like. The colors differ from each other and it is really versatile. This one is good. The kick was in solo mode too, so I could hear their relationship, how they work together. Now I will check drums room in solo mode. Do you hear that box equality? That was very annoying. After a while of mixing and mastering, you're not in control of your ears. Your ears are in control of your brain and what you hear. And you can't stop hearing those resonances and bad frequencies. You just hear it and decide how should I get rid of it. There is a special place in hell for boxy frequencies. Much better, much better. Now we have a little issue that is showing itself because of boxy and those dull frequencies being cut. What is that problem? That is having so bright higher frequencies, those sheen frequencies. So I need to add a multi-band compressor to control those. Or a sidechain compressor, it doesn't matter. Whatever works for you will work for this drums room and for this high frequency, harsh and sibilances. Let's use TC Electronic DYN 3K. So I will use this one, 12 dB per octave. Soft knee is good. It is better, much better. Let's check in the song.
But it gets a little harder to go there anymore. And you care when I pretend that I'm aware. Love to follow me in the sky far from the sea.
It has a softening effect on higher frequencies for drums room. And now these two are working together pretty good. If there is more lower frequencies on drums room, you could do some high passes as we have here. To make more room for the kick and prevent any phase issue that might be between kick and lower frequencies of drums room. As you hear, drums room has its own punch. So when I'm controlling lower frequencies, kick will have more space.
Driving to the Rockies.
This song is not mixed yet and it's just for educational purpose, and our target was kick and drums room. These two are a great pair now. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.